Before you decide to skip this video, give me just 1 minute of your full attention. If you have ever understood English perfectly in your mind, but felt your voice disappear when it was time to speak, this session is for you. If you have ever rehearsed a sentence silently and then stayed quiet in real life, this session is for you. And if you are living in the UK or planning to move here, and you feel that small wave of nervousness every time someone starts a conversation with you, then today is not just practice. Today is a shift. Not a motivational speech, not complicated grammar, not fast talking. This is controlled, slow, powerful speaking training designed to turn hesitation into clarity. And here is the rule. You must speak out loud. Not in your head, not silently. Out loud. Even if your voice feels weak at first, even if you think you sound strange, because confidence is not built by thinking, it is built by sound. So sit comfortably, relax your shoulders, unclench your jaw, take a slow breath in, and breathe out. Good. Now we begin. Repeat after me slowly. I am allowed to speak slowly. Again. I am allowed to speak slowly. Many learners rush because they think speed equals fluency. It does not. Speed hides fear. Slowness builds control. Again, calmly. I am allowed to speak slowly. Good. Now say, my voice deserves space. Again, my voice deserves space. Feel that sentence. Do not attack the words. Let them land. Now say, I do not need perfect grammar to communicate. Again, I do not need perfect grammar to communicate. That sentence alone removes pressure from your mind. Now we warm up your speaking rhythm. Repeat after me. Today, I choose progress over fear. Again, today, I choose progress over fear. Notice how the word progress flows into over. Smooth transitions build natural sound. Again, even calmer. Today, I choose progress over fear. Excellent. Now, every sentence I speak makes me stronger. Again, every sentence I speak makes me stronger. Speaking is repetition. Repetition is power. Imagine you are in a cafe in London. You walk to the counter. Instead of panicking, you breathe. Repeat after me. Hi, could I get a cup of coffee, please? Again, slower. Hi, could I get a cup of coffee, please? Keep the tone polite and relaxed. Again, hi, could I get a cup of coffee, please? Very good. Now imagine the barista asks you a question and you don't understand. Repeat. Sorry, could you say that again, please? Again. Sorry, could you say that again, please? That sentence protects your confidence. You do not freeze. You ask. Now we build conversation strength. Repeat after me. I recently moved here, so I'm still improving my English. Again. I recently moved here, so I'm still improving my English. That sentence removes embarrassment. It explains your situation calmly. Again, smoother. I recently moved here, so I'm still improving my English. Good. Now, I'm working on becoming more confident every day. Again, I'm working on becoming more confident every day. Feel the steady rhythm. Confidence grows through steady rhythm. Let us slow down even more. I want you to feel control over every word. Repeat. Speaking slowly helps me think clearly. Again, speaking slowly helps me think clearly. Notice clearly at the end. Do not rush it. Clearly. Again, speaking slowly helps me think clearly. Excellent. Now, I take my time and that is okay. Again, I take my time and that is okay. Calm, controlled, natural. Now we practice natural UK small talk. Repeat after me. The weather has been quite unpredictable lately. Again, the weather has been quite unpredictable lately. Stretch unpredictable gently. Good. Now, it's been a bit chilly this morning. Again, it's been a bit chilly this morning. Light tone. Friendly. Good. Now let's build workplace confidence. Repeat after me. I'll finish this task by the end of the day. Again, I'll finish this task by the end of the day. Clear ending. Day. Again, I'll finish this task by the end of the day. Good. Now, could we discuss this in more detail? Again, could we discuss this in more detail? Smooth and professional. Again, could we discuss this in more detail? Excellent. Take a breath. Notice something important. You are speaking continuously in English. No emergency, no panic, just flow. That is how fear shrinks, not by avoiding speaking, but by speaking safely and repeatedly. Now we extend sentence length. Repeat after me in one steady breath. I used to feel nervous when speaking English, but I am becoming more confident now. Again, slower. I used to feel nervous when speaking English, but I am becoming more confident now. Feel the shift from past to present. That shift is happening inside you too. Again, smoothly. I used to feel nervous when speaking English, but I am becoming more confident. Clear. Let's challenge your clarity gently. Repeat. Clear communication creates connection. Again, clear. Communication creates connection. Focus on the S sound. Good. Now, small improvements lead to big changes. Again, small improvements lead to big changes. Strong ending. Changes. Now, imagine a real social situation. Someone asks about your weekend. Repeat after me. I had a quiet weekend, but it was quite relaxing. Again. I had a quiet weekend, but it was quite relaxing. Natural tone. Again. I had a quiet weekend, but it was quite relaxing. Good. Now, I'm trying to explore more places around the city. Again. I'm trying to explore more places around the city. Let the sentence flow without tension. You might notice your mouth moving more freely now than at the start. That is because repetition removes stiffness. Fear creates physical tension. Speaking slowly releases it. Now we build opinion confidence. Repeat after me. In my opinion, this approach makes more sense. Again. In my opinion, this approach makes more sense. Calm authority. Again. In my opinion, this approach makes more sense. Good. Now, I understand your point, but I see it differently. Again. I understand your point, but I see it differently. Balanced tone, respectful confidence. Now we train longer flow again. Repeat. I'm improving my English step by step because I want to communicate clearly and confidently in everyday life. Again, slower. I'm improving my English step by step because I want to communicate clearly and confidently in everyday life. Excellent control. Again, smoother and more natural. Take another slow breath. Notice your voice. It sounds more stable now. Stability is more important than speed. Now we build inner strength sentences. Repeat after me. I refuse to stay silent because of fear. Again. I refuse to stay silent because of fear. Strong but calm. Again. I refuse to stay silent because of fear. Good. Now, even if my voice shakes, I will speak. Again. Even if my voice shakes, I will speak. Courage is not loud, it is consistent. Let us create a short story flow. Repeat after me. When I first arrived, I felt unsure about speaking English. Again. When I first arrived, I felt unsure about speaking English. Continue. I worried about making mistakes in front of others. Again. I worried about making mistakes in front of others. Continue. But I realized that practice is more important than perfection. Again. But I realized that practice is more important than perfection. And finally, now I speak with more confidence every single day. Again. Now I speak with more confidence every single day. That is your transformation story forming in real time. Now we refine pronunciation gently. Repeat slowly. Thoughtful thinkers thrive through practice. Again, carefully. Thoughtful thinkers thrive through practice. Good control. Now, she sells simple seaside souvenirs. Again, slowly and clearly. Excellent articulation. At this moment, something important is happening. You are not just repeating sentences, you are training your nervous system to stay calm while speaking English. And when your nervous system is calm, your words come out clearly. Now we finish with power reinforcement. Repeat after me slowly and confidently. I am building real confidence through daily practice. Again. I am building real confidence through daily practice. Stronger now. I am building real confidence through daily practice. Good. Now, I do not wait for confidence, I create it. Again. I do not wait for confidence, I create it. Excellent. One more time, calmly and clearly. I am no longer hiding my voice. Again. I am no longer hiding my voice. And finally, I speak clearly, calmly, and confidently. Again. I speak clearly, calmly, and confidently. Take one last slow breath in and breathe out. Notice how different you feel compared to the first minute of this video. That difference is proof. Proof that shyness is not permanent. Proof that slow repetition works. Proof that your voice becomes stronger when you use it. Tomorrow, repeat again. The next day, repeat again. Confidence is not a moment. It is a habit built through daily speaking. And today you did not stay silent. Today you spoke. And that changes everything.